Hey guys, so I just got another car I'm going to be doing a rebuild on. It's a 2013 328i X-Drive 2.0 turbo, all-wheel drive. Overall, front end damage, very light, nothing too crazy. Car's pretty clean, and it's the sports package. Has the 18s. It's a nice little car. Do a little walk around. I'll be doing a progress to that rebuild on it. No airbags went. And show you the front. As you can see, a couple crash cans on the reinforcement bar. Nothing too crazy, no frame damage. Car runs and drives. 2.0 turbo. I'll keep you guys updated on the rebuild, how I do everything, how everything on bolts and stuff. I'm going to change out this fender, the hood, the front clip, and all that.